case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a precedent-setting 1966 case, Sullivan v. United States, the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit highlighted the legal nuances of taxable income and the implications of stock redemption. The case stemmed from a dispute over tax liability arising from the redemption of stock owned by one Nelson in a corporation co-owned by Sullivan. Sullivan had bought an automobile dealership and established a corporation to run it. Over time, different associates joined and exited the business, selling their stocks back to Sullivan. The matter under legal scrutiny occurred when the corporation's board authorized the redemption of Nelson's stock, the ramifications of which resulted in Sullivan disputing tax liability for the operation. Sullivan found himself in a battle for a refund of his 1956 income taxes in a lower court. This court ruled that Sullivan had effectively received a taxable dividend equivalent to a dividend when the corporation redeemed Nelson's stock, a decision that Sullivan disputed and brought to the appeal court. However, Sullivan's efforts to challenge the lower court's decision were to no avail. The intricate threads of Sullivan's agreement with Nelson, as documented in their memorandum agreement that encompassed the details of the stock redemption, were interpreted by the court as proof of Sullivan's implied income benefit. Essentially, Sullivan sought to argue that the corporation's involvement negated his tax liability on the deducted stock income, but the court found otherwise. Bringing the case to a close, the court upheld the district court's judgment, noting that Sullivan's arguments did not provide substantial grounds for reversal. Thus, the corporation's payment to Sullivan for the redeemed stock was ruled as a taxable dividend, confirming that Sullivan couldn't recover a portion of his 1956 income taxes. The judgment painted a clear picture about the intricate tax implications that come into play with stock redemption and the legal boundaries of taxable income.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.